In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a page, a subpage in your Wix website. This is really useful if you want to organize your site's menu, group related pages together, or create drop-down menus for a cleaner, more professional look. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you have your site open in the Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, look toward the left side of your screen for the Pages panel. You'll see the word Pages with a small arrow icon beside it. Go ahead and click that arrow. This expands the panel and shows you the list of all the pages on your site. When the panel opens, you'll notice an option that says Manage Pages. This is where you can control how your pages appear in your site's navigation. Click on Manage Pages. The panel will now show a clearer list of all your existing pages, including your home page and any additional pages you've created. Next, find the specific page that you want to turn into a subpage. Take a moment to double check you've selected the right one, especially if you have pages with similar names. On the right side of that page's name, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Hover over that page, then click on the 3 dots. When you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that page. One of those options will be Subpage or Make Subpage, depending on your version of the editor. Click on that option. Once you do this, Wix will automatically convert that page into a subpage. Visually, you'll see it become indented under the page above it in the list. That page above becomes the parent page, and the one you change is now the child page, or subpage. This means that in your site's menu, it will appear nested under the parent page, often in a drop-down. If the page doesn't end up under the parent you wanted, you can simply drag and drop it within the Manage Pages panel to reorder it. Just click, hold, and drag the subpage to the correct position under the parent page. And that's it. By clicking the arrow beside Pages,